Hey guys, so for today, we're going to look at music language 5.2, the music notation review. So below in this infographic, I'm giving you an example of 4 different rhythms that we're going to kind of talk about and use for this part as well as the next part of our project. The 4 rhythms are a quarter note, 2 eighth notes, 4 16th notes, and a quarter rest. So quarter note beat is just going to equal 1 beat of sound. Whenever you see it, if you want to use a syllable to attach to it, we're going to say ta. The 2 eighth notes also get 1 beat of sound, but notice there's 2 of them, so instead of ta, we're going to say ti. Then we have 3, which are 16th notes. We'll have 4 of them together, so they're broken up into a fourth of each of the beat, but it's still 1 beat. So we're going to say tiki. And finally, number 4 is a quarter rest. It also gets 1 beat of sound, but we don't say anything because it is silence. So what I want you to do for today is I want you to click on this little metronome button. It'll open you to a new screen. And we're going to go down to about 80 beats per minute. And this is going to keep a steady beat or a tempo for us. All right. We're then going to come back here and we're going to practice these 4 rhythms. So if I was going to say the first rhythm, it would sound like this. Ta, ti, ta. The second one would sound like this. Ti, tiki, ta, ta. Third one, just like this. Ta, ti, ta. Here's the fourth one. Tiki, ti, ta. Okay? You can also do these by clapping them. Here's the first one, sounds like this. This is number 2. Here's the third one, and go. This is the fourth one. Okay? When you practice those a bunch and you feel confident doing them with the metronome to a steady beat, let me know, and that's what I'm going to quiz you on before you move on to 5.3 where you're creating your rhythm matrix. Best of luck.